hailing in eastern Kentucky. Check it out. Oh boy. Decent sized little buggers too. Oh yeah. If I didn't already have my beer ice down, I'd be collecting these critters. It's probably a treat to ancient people when it would hail. Yeah, it's coming off the roof though. Okay, I think it's maybe converting back to rain. I hope it doesn't damage the old lady's basil or basil, depending on your location. Yep, I think it's mainly rain now. Cool while it lasted. Breaking windshield, so we're good. Alright, it's been raining way too much actually. I mean, this is cool, but it was like 97 degrees a while ago. So the rain's cooling things down. Yeah, there's my salt block. That's a treat for deer. And then I have 2 apple trees. Yeah, I know I'm getting off the weather subject, but hey. And there's the slip. Prevented us from getting to our house for almost a year. Alright. Thanks for watching, everybody. Apparently the hailstorm's over. Catch y'all later. No, it's wrong. It's hailing again. It quit. And it's back. Yeah, normally, now, I've only been around 58 years, normally it hails when it turns into rain. Apparently not, I could hear it from inside the house. The sun's shining over that way. And we're getting this. One of them bounced up there and hit me. Yeah, probably that climate change thing we've been talking about. Yeah. Now, I think, I've said this before, I think it's turning back into regular good old rain, but that who knows anymore. Looks like it's lightening up over that way. Yeah, that cord comes from our TV antenna. Let me cover that up. It's unsightly. Now, all we need is for this hail to end, and I'll just tell you all the way the sun's coming out, I'm looking for a rainbow. I'm not kidding.
Rainbow?
Yep, be my guess. Don't have one yet, but I'm looking for one. It'll be over that way. That's normally where they appear. So, we'll see. But, yeah. The hail was gone, and the hail came back.
Uh-oh. It's speeding up.
Man, there's a... Oh, man. The water coming off of there. See, there used to be a lot of timber over there. Now you can see the runoff just spills off of there. It's washed all kinds of crap out into the road. Alright, stay tuned. If there's a rainbow, I'll be back. If not, that's the end of this video. Don't think we're going to get a rainbow. Chickens seem cool with everything. Thank you for mooning us there, hen, and digging at your rear end. That's awesome. There's one of the old boys trucking across the driveway. Got a hen and duty. So apparently they think everything's cool. Yeah, I was hoping for a rainbow, but looking kind of gloomy. Y'all can see that runoff. Hang on, let me try to steady this camera. So all that sediment is going right into the creeks. That's why we don't have much fish up in here. Freshwater mussels die off quickly where they're filter feeders. Took all the coal out of this part of the world and left us with what we have, which is pretty much living off the land. That's okay. There's old Rumpus. He's one of our favorite roosters. Little Coturnix quail. They're all like, hey man, the storm's over. We're gonna get on with our lives. Is that right, foghorn, leghorn? Alright, again, I don't think we're gonna get the rainbow, but I'm still preening. Get your head out of there. Come on up. Uh-oh. Dancing around. We always throw scraps out here. I know this went from a hailstorm video to chicken video. Hang on a minute. Let's see what's going on up here. Settle down. Okay, y'all. Gotta go. Not gonna get that rainbow, so I'll catch y'all on the next one. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. Later.